I just bought my iPods 4, but I needed some protection for these little guys, so I got this. This is a case that provides protection for your AirPods and also comes with this little tool. This is to clean your AirPods. Let me show you super quick how this thing works. Once you remove the AirPods, you can use this part to clean the inside of here. And also, if you use the other end, it has like this sharp thing that you can use it to maybe remove stuff that gets inside of here. This is like a little brush. If there's stuff in there, you can clean it like that real good. This is a nice thing that they added as an extra. But now this is the most important thing, and I'm gonna install it so you see how this thing fits. Slide it in here. Okay, nice and tight. You can still open it. And now this has this piece of tape, and now I'm just gonna slide it in. Okay, here you go. Okay, here you have it, nice and secure. I like the style, I like the color. Obviously it's black. It has some lines over here. It looks like carbon fiber. It is hard rubber, it's not hard plastic, but it provides good protection for your AirPods. Now, this is the most important part. As you can see, it doesn't open. If you want to open it, you just need to click here. And also it has a small magnet over here. So what it does is when you open it, it opens right away. And it's secure, it's not opening by itself. If you want to open it, you need to put a lot of pressure, but the way of doing it is click the button and you're good. I like the quality, it doesn't feel cheap. The only thing that I will change is this. In my opinion, this is kind of thin. I will prefer to have something thicker just in case. You have some space here on this hole to put something thicker, but that's something that I will do later. Overall, this is a nice product. I highly recommend it for your AirPods 4.